All right, this is a walkthrough on using SG.Loans as a borrower. If you're not a resident in Singapore and you want to sign up as a borrower, you can click this button right here, this borrow button, and it'll take you to a sign up form. Fill out this information. It's going to include how much you'd like to borrow, your monthly income, and how much crypto you have. Please make these inputs in USDC. And then when you submit the form, we will notify you when we launch in your country. But if you are a resident in Singapore, you can actually just launch the app straight away. And you can do that by clicking this top right button. So it's both here on the form and in the homepage itself. So go ahead, launch the app. And in the next slide, I'll show you what it's like interacting with the dApp as a borrower. All right, now that you've submitted the form as a borrower, we're going to go ahead and walk through what it's like using the app as a borrower. Go ahead and click the Launch app in the top right-hand corner. It's going to take you to SG.Loans. And we're going to go ahead and connect our wallets. I am connected through my MetaMask wallet. And for this example, I'm going to be using a testnet, but normally you would be on the Polygon network. So I'll go ahead and select my role as a borrower. I'm going to upload my credit report. For me, it's going to be a blank PDF for the sake of this example, but normally you would upload your real credit report. Let's go ahead and upload that. I'll input an access code if I have one, and then go ahead and click Apply for Loan. We won't share your data. More details on that. Going to go ahead and click Continue. And now I'm at the borrower dashboard for the request. So because I uploaded a blank PDF, all these numbers are 0, and that would be adjusted for your proper credit report. So for this example, I'm going to request a loan of 100 USDC. I'll keep it at 16% APR. There's more information right here on what happens if you're delinquent or you default on your loan. And there's also more information on the daily interest and flexible payments, as well as what happens if I can't pay. For now, I'm going to go ahead and click the box that I've read and accepted the terms and conditions and submit the request. Yes, I'm sure that I want to request this loan. Click that button. Now I'm getting a MetaMask notification to confirm this transaction. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm, and now my transaction has started. My transaction has succeeded. And my loan request was submitted. So now my bid is being analyzed by lenders, and I'll have an option to input my email to get updates on my loan, as well as future payment reminders. So that's best practice. I'll go ahead and input my email. And then there will be more information on your loan request summary. And next, I will show you what it's like to make payments on your loan once it's accepted by a lender. All right, so I got a notification that my bid was accepted. So I'm going to go back to the app. I'm going to connect my wallet. Again, I'm connected through MetaMask on the testnet, but normally you would be on Polygon network. So I'll go ahead and select my role as a borrower again. And I'm welcomed back, and I have an update on my next due date, 30 days. On this left box, I have my loan summary. On the right, I have my payment options. And for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and pay back the loan in full. I can select max. Click the Pay Now button. Do I want to confirm this payment? Yes. I'm getting a MetaMask notification to confirm the transaction. Go ahead and confirm. And now my transaction to pay back the loan has started. My transaction has succeeded. And congratulations, I've paid back the loan. Now I have the option to request another. So just to recap on the steps I, as a borrower, took for SG.Loans. One, optionally, I filled out a form on SG.Loans/borrow. After I filled out that form, I launched the dApp and connected my wallet. Then went ahead and selected the borrower role. I then uploaded my credit report. Once I did that, I submitted a loan request. And after some time, my loan request got accepted, and now I received my funds in my wallet. And then after that, over time, I would have paid back my loan. And that is it. Those are the simple 7 steps that I took to be a borrower using SG.Loans. Very simple, straight to the point, and I received my funds directly in my wallet.